The best pork in the world, finished with molten hot beef tallow. The flavors are amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're grilling Iberico Secretos Flambadou style. We're gonna open up the package with the Iberico Secreto. We wanna trim off some of the excess fat and look at the beautiful intramuscular marbling. We're gonna season it richly on both sides with flaky sea salt, and then we can set it aside. The Iberico Secreto is seasoned, so let's go out and prepare the grill. We're gonna use a Flambadou, which is a French medieval cooking tool used to melt hot fat. When we have a good fire in the grill, we're gonna place the Flambadou in the center and heat it up until it's scorching hot. Flambadou is scorching hot and so is the grill, so let's go out and grill. We're gonna place the Iberico Secreto on the plancha and cook until we have a good caramelization. Then we're gonna flip it over. Then we're gonna add beef tallow to the Flambadou, and watch out. Look at that super hot fat caramelizing the Iberico pork. We're gonna flip it over, and then we're gonna do it again. More beef tallow, this time in slow motion. And this is a beautiful way of cooking the best pork in the world. When we have it in a temperature of 135, remove the Secreto and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna slice it against the grain, and then it's time to eat. And that is how I cook my Iberico Secretos from Campo Grande, Flambadou style. And look at that, perfect medium, pink in the middle, packed with flavors. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.